I am already done with my skincare. So my skin is all moisturized. I don't need any more moisturizer or something, but I need primer, which is this. This is from Wet n Wild, and I'll link down everything below. This is very shiny. My skin looks even more glossy now. This is perfect for makeup, for any dewy makeup. For base is that dewy. I mean, I like this way. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Gonna do 2 pumps. So similar, and so all this looking so natural and so nice. All I have to do is let it set on my skin, and then it will look all very natural, like after drying and everything. Resolution key, I will stick to my skincare. बाकी तो पता नहीं, कई बार रिवर्स भी हो जाता है, but I'm going to stick with that. And I will see क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट, क्योंकि एक्ने भी है और एक्ने स्पॉट्स को भी हटाना है. These are just spots. These are not active acne. Just, you know, those spots of acne. So we're gonna do that. But ये वाला स्किन केयर कुछ हार्म नहीं करेगा स्किन को. It's really nice. मतलब देख लो कितना शाइन कर रहा है प्लीज. एंड मैं पिछले 2 दिन से तो कंटिन्यू कर ही रही हूँ, तो it's nice. It's very nice. Sometimes I feel like I don't need concealer for my under eye because I do not have any dark circle or something, but I apply it because I like it, because everybody does. I do this, just this, a little bit. And I'm gonna blend it really well. And blending is, all you have to do is just tap. You don't have to like smudge or anything, just tap. I'm gonna go and set my concealer, which was Beauty setting powder. I'm not going to apply बहुत सारा powder क्योंकि उससे मेरी स्किन ड्राई हो जाएगी. मेरी स्किन ऐसे ही बहुत ड्राई है. This is how it looks, and this is the gel. This is the only thing which I use the most. बाकी मुझे यूज़ करना नहीं आता, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे बस एक यही करना आता है और मैं बस वही करती हूँ. I'm gonna comb my brows आगे से थोड़ा थोड़ा. Now I'm kind of done with my brows. This I'm going to set my whole face with it. And again, this is the struggle when you try to open this kind of things with such nails. Okay, this is my shade. Today something is wrong with me. I don't know. I'm so happy. Why I'm doing what I'm doing, I have no idea. I'm going to live with this is very nice, very beautiful. All the colors are amazing. Yes, really nice. So first we're gonna go with these. This is a brown color. It's a very nice brown color. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this at the end. I'm going to blend this. Lava light. It's a darker pink. I'm doing eyeliner with this color. Now I'm gonna smudge it. So for lipstick I'm gonna use this. This is from Colorbar. This is my favorite. This is the only lipstick I use जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ. This is how it looks. I'll link everything down below. My god, what is wrong with me today? It's not pink, it's a nude color. And I think बाहर जाके दिखाना पड़ेगा. बाहर जाके दिखाना पड़ेगा ये कैसा लग रहा है. So I'm done with my makeup and I'm using Miss Claire's Dewy Finish. What is this? Setting spray. So I'm gonna use this. I like my makeup very dewy and very light. It's very nice. It's very seamless. Very gorgeous. बहुत पास से स्प्रे करती हूँ और फिर मेरा पूरा फेस गीला हो जाता है. And then I let it dry. Okay, whatever. After drying, बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट आता है ड्राई होने के बाद. I forgot mascara. It's not in my bag. It's not here. I don't know where it is. So no mascara today. And yeah, this is the only thing you can see right now. That is my face with makeup. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, go watch and check my skincare video. It's really nice, it's really amazing. And because of that video, this makeup is looking so gorgeous and so dewy, like literally. Can you see that? And ignore acne. This looks so nice. So make sure that you check that video.